Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Clash Royale stuck on loading screen. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If your game won't open, these quick fixes should help you get back into the battle in no time. First, Clash Royale requires a stable internet connection to run properly. Make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi network, or if you prefer, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. If you're on Wi-Fi, restarting your router can also help because a weak or unstable connection is often the main reason the game fails to load. Next, close the Clash Royale app completely and then relaunch it. Sometimes, simply restarting the app can clear minor glitches. If the problem persists, restart your phone or tablet to remove any background issues that might be interfering with the game. After that, ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Open your App Store, search for Clash Royale, and check if the update button appears instead of open. If so, tap Update and allow the app to install the newest version. Once updated, go back to your home screen and try launching the game again. If nothing works so far, you can uninstall and reinstall the app. Long press the Clash Royale icon, tap Remove App, then select Delete App and confirm. Once deleted, go back to the App Store, download Clash Royale again, and reinstall it. Another important step is to check whether the game servers are down because sometimes the issue is not on your end. You can visit the official Clash Royale Twitter account or the Supercell forums to see if there are any reported outages or server problems. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Clash Royale when it's stuck on the loading screen. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.